Lesson 6. Houses and Apartments. I recently spent a month on vacation, but instead of staying in a hotel, I looked for a short-term rental, a place to live that can be rented for a short period of time. I ended up sharing a 2-bedroom apartment. That's an apartment with 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a kitchen, with some friends. It was actually cheaper than renting a studio apartment, an apartment with only 1 big room, all by myself. The apartment was on the top floor of a 5-story building. That's a building with 5 floors. And it had a balcony overlooking the ocean. That means you can see the ocean from the balcony. From the roof, we also had a nice view of the city skyline. This is another expression used when you can see something from a certain place. The apartment had recently been remodeled or renovated, meaning it was fixed up and improved, and was fully furnished, so it already had furniture, beds, tables, etc., and appliances, refrigerator, stove, etc. We loved the spacious living room. The room was big, but unfortunately the bedrooms were rather cramped, small, and uncomfortable. It was nice to spend a month there, but by the end of the trip I started to feel homesick. That's when you feel sad because you miss your life at home. I'd really like to have a place of my own so that I'm not throwing away money on rent every month, but there's a real shortage of affordable housing, houses or apartments that are reasonably priced, in my city. Even if I stay away from the upscale neighborhoods, areas where rich people live, I'd still have to take out a mortgage, borrow money from the bank in order to buy a house, and it will take me more than 30 years to pay it off. But still, I'm going to start saving up for a down payment, an initial payment on a big purchase. Someday, when I do move into a new place, I'll be sure to throw a housewarming party, a party to celebrate living in a new house or apartment. Let's practice the pronunciation of the collocations in this lesson. Short-term rental, 2-bedroom apartment, studio apartment, 5-story building, overlooking the ocean, had a nice view of, recently been remodeled, recently been renovated, fully furnished, spacious living room. The bedrooms were rather cramped. Feel homesick. Have a place of my own. Affordable housing. Upscale neighborhoods. Take out a mortgage. Pay off the mortgage. Down payment. Move into a new place. Throw a housewarming party. Now take the Lesson 6 quiz and choose the right word to complete each sentence.